This video presents how to perform the initial setup of Dynaway Signature. The initial setup will be automatically run after installation, but if you decide not to do it right after the installation, you can run it from the Extension Management, Assisted Setup or Dynaway Assisted Setup. Select three dots on the Dynaway Signature extension line and select Setup. If you haven't completed the Dynaway EAM setup before installing Signature, you won't be able to start the Signature setup. The Dynaway Assisted Setup page, with all initial setups for our extensions, can be opened from the Dynaway EAM license information page. On the first page, you can see two sections: Welcome to Dynaway Signature with a link to the documentation, and Setup Walkthrough with a link to this very video you're watching. On the second page, you can enable Signature functionality and select the Signature method. On the next page, you can select Secure Transactions that require re-authentication. Select Set up Secure Transactions to open the list of the transactions. In the Require Signature column, select the transactions that require re-authentication. When you're ready with the transaction setup, select Close and go to the next step. On the final page, you will find three links. The first one will lead you to Dynaway Help, which contains documentation about our Business Central products. The second one will take you to a video library with more in-depth webinars. The last one will take you to our newsletter, so you will stay updated with everything that we are doing. The basic setup of this module is completed. To save this setup, select Finish.